How to set screen color back to normal on Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can set screen color back to normal on Android phone. If your Android phone screen looks unusual, grayscale, weird colors or faded, then here's how you can set the screen color back to normal. Follow these simple steps in order to do so. The first one is turn off grayscale. Grayscale is often turned on by digital well-being. In order to do so, first of all, open the settings of your device, scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the settings page. Now here scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls option. Once you locate it, tap on it. And inside it, again you will need to scroll down and at the very bottom you will be able to locate bedtime mode. Simply tap on this bedtime mode. Once you reach to this page, here under other actions there you will be able to see grayscale which is turned on currently. Tap on it and then tap on the minus icon at the right side of this grayscale to turn it off. Now tap on this turn option at the very bottom. After doing this, check if the issue still persists. If your Android phone screen still looks unusual, then now go and check your color correction settings. For that, you will need to return back to the settings homepage. Here in the settings, scroll to find accessibility option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it. And here now look for vision enhancement option. Tap on vision enhancements and under it look for color correction option. It may also be labeled as color and motion depending on your phone. Once you find this option, simply tap on it. Now inside it, tap on the toggle button at the right side of that on option. By doing so, you will be able to turn it off. If you are not able to solve your problem still, then you can disable the developer option. Sometimes developer settings mess with the colors. To do so, again come back to the home page of the settings and here scroll down to find developer options. Simply tap on it. Here now you will need to scroll down to find simulate color space. If you are facing trouble to find it, then you may also tap on the search icon at the top right corner and then search for simulate color space option. Once you find the option, you can simply tap on it to open it and make sure the disabled option is selected. If not, simply tap on it to select it. By doing this, you will be able to solve your problem. But if you are still not able to solve your problem, then you can go and check the display settings. Some display modes affect the color tones. Again come back to the settings. Here, go and look for display option and then tap on it to open it. Inside it, you will need to look for screen mode option. It may also be labeled as color profile or color temperature. Simply tap on the screen mode and make sure natural or standard option is selected. If not, simply tap on it to select it. Now after doing this, restart your mobile device by holding the power button and volume down button. After that, you will see you have successfully set screen color back to normal on Android device. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.